Hello, everybody. Welcome to another day of social studies class on Tuesday. Today, what we're going to be focusing on is building on what we started learning about yesterday with the first kind of plan or perspective on how the country should be rebuilt or reconstructed after the Civil War. We looked at the presidential plan with the horrible white supremacist President Andrew Johnson, who cared absolutely nothing about Black people's rights after the Civil War. And today we're going to really look at what was the impact or effects of this plan on Black people, freed people themselves specifically. Of course, they are not very good effects, but we're going to specifically look at two major systems called sharecropping, which we'll learn about, and the Black Codes, which are kind of the precursor to Jim Crow segregation laws. And we're going to look at these because it kind of shows the impact of what happens when you essentially told Black people, be like, all right, slavery's done. Now, good luck with that. You're on your own. And because of systems like racism and white supremacy, they really did not work out well for them. And we're going to see, because of these systems, why what comes next is very necessary, specifically providing legal protections and the protection of people's rights after the Civil War. But first, we got to understand what problems were created by essentially not giving any systems protections to freed people before we can look at how this impacted people later. And of course, this connects to today because many of these same conditions, like sharecropping, there's very similar systems with, as you'll see in your warm-up question, with like migrant or immigrant farm laborers are almost put in a similar situation in the world today. And we're going to kind of look at these connections between how things were back in the past and in the world today as far as systems protecting people's rights or not. So hope you enjoy the lesson. Remember to reach out if you have any questions, and I will see you in the advisory call. Remember to reach out if there's anything I can help with.